Hello, I've had a question in Unit 4, Lesson 5 on related rates, and I'm looking at Part 1, question number 8. Sides of an equilateral triangle decrease at a rate of 2 centimeters per second. So we have equilateral triangle, let's call it L. So dL by dt is equal to -2 because it's decreasing, -2 centimeters per second. At what rate is the area decreasing? So dA by dt is what we're looking for. So that means we're going to use the area formula. So let's take a look at that first. 1/2 base times height. So the base is no problem because that's L. The height is a bit of an issue though because it's not given. So we're going to have to do a little bit of work on finding H. Now from this triangle we can see that the hypotenuse is going to be L. Because it's equilateral, it's symmetrical. So the base of this triangle will be 1/2 L. So using that information, I'm going to work over here on the right side. H squared equals A squared plus B squared. So that is your Pythagorean identity. So the hypotenuse we said was L. Let's go with A being the height. I'm introducing H again. That's a different type of H. Plus the base, which is 1/2 L squared. So that means L squared equals H squared plus 1/4 L squared, or 3/4, moving that over, equals H squared. And we can clean this up, take the square root of both sides. We can do this because it's all multiplication. Root 3 over 2L is equal to H. So it doesn't really matter in this case which one we're going to use. So I know my height in terms of L. So using that information here, my area formula becomes 1/2. The base is L, and my height is root 3 over 2L. So area equals, we put that together, it's root 3 over 4L squared. Now I have one variable, I can take the derivative, something I can work with. dA by dt, that's what I'm looking for, is 2 root 3 over 4L dL by dt. And the good thing that we're using L because that is the information we were given. So when I do my checklist, I know what dL by dt is. I still have to find L though. So the question is, it says 100 centimeters is the point of interest. So I'll work over here now. So we said our area formula was root 3, 4 over L squared. If the area is 100, what does L equal? So I'm just going to solve that for L. So we have 400 over root 3 equals L squared, which means L is the square root of 400 over root 3, or 20 over the square root of square root 3. All right. So that being said, I can go back to my original equation. So dA by dt is 2 root 3 over 4. L, we just calculated, was 20 over root 3, and dL by dt is -2. Simplifying that, those 2's will cancel out my 4. Root 3 will cancel out one of those square root signs. So that means I end up with -20 over root 3 centimeters squared per second. So there is the solution to number 8. All right. If you have any questions with that one, let me know, and I'll try to help you out.